It was good. It was
very nice.
So it was a great honor to be here as a part of a student.
So which topic you like the most?
It was about it was related to career.
Yeah.
So it was a great motivation for us to know what we can do in a career. Apart from our studies, we can get more skills.
Oh, it was wonderful, nice fun, and the students would be greatly benefited out of it. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.
It was quite informative and we got to know about a lot of things, and it helped us to guide our career for the future.
Any topic you like the most?
Because I'm doing marketing, so my favorite, for my liking, it was digital marketing.
Okay. And so are you planning to take our free courses about the digital marketing?
Yeah, I'm thinking about it.
Oh, thank you.
It was a very helpful session. We surely got an idea how to go about for a career in future, and we'll surely see the courses and we'll try to implement that in our life.
And which topic you like the most?
I liked the topic skill versus
Skill versus degree.
degree. Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.